Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can turn off TalkBack on OPPO Reno 12 Pro 5G. There is one quick way to turn off TalkBack mode, and that is by pressing and holding down both volume buttons on the right side of the device for 3 seconds. So, if you press and hold both volume buttons for 3 seconds, then the TalkBack mode will be disabled. If for some reason the watermark is not visible and the shortcut with the volume buttons doesn't work, and then you can still go back to the settings and disable TalkBack. So now we're gonna swipe through the pages in order to go to the settings. So you need to use 2 fingers in order to swipe and scroll. So use 2 fingers to swipe, then you can tap Settings app and then double tap it in order to open settings. Now remember, we need to use 2 fingers to scroll. So now we need to tap on Accessibility and Convenience and then double tap. Now tap Accessibility and of course double tap. Switch to Vision at the top and double tap. And then select TalkBack and double tap. Finally, here tap on the slider of TalkBack and then double tap. Press stop, double tap, and TalkBack is off. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.